Hello my dear students, welcome to Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, this is day 50 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE mathematics. We are halfway here bacha, right? Very glad to be here sir. We had nothing okay in our hand, but now we have completed half of the syllabus. Okay, syllabus actually almost over. We have completed half of the days that we have planned to revise everything, right? So what we are doing today is going to be PYQ session on volume surface area. Yes, you have given a test, but PYQ is very important even if you've given the test. But please solve these questions again. Yes, there are some questions that can be from the previous sessions also, but one or two questions. But few questions will be additional bacha. So please solve these questions again. How to solve these questions? The sessions PDF will be given in the WhatsApp channel. Go ahead, download the sessions PDF and solve these questions again. If you're somebody who has missed out on joining the WhatsApp channel, the link for that is given in the description. Go ahead, click on the link and join the WhatsApp channel. Don't worry about your privacy. Will not get your data or anything. Will just be you'll just be joining the WhatsApp channel and you'll be getting the questions or sessions PDF delivered to you. Any update regarding the sessions will also be given in the WhatsApp channel only. Okay, so please make sure that you have joined it. So I'm gonna start the PYQ now. Please check this out. So I hope you know the chapter plan bacha, right? Cube, cuboid, cylinders, cones, spheres, and then the combination of solid was also there. We have done all of this, right? Now weightage, if you see, again we don't have a chapter wise weightage. We have for the unit, which is going to be 10 marks. We can expect a question on this chapter from 6 marks category, means total of 6 marks can come bacha. The category of question can be MCQ, 2 marker, 3 marker, 4 marker. 5 marker is coming, but very rarely. Sometime it can come, but I have done a question on 5 marker also to help you prepare for that category as well. Please solve all these questions that I'm doing again and again, okay? Until unless you are comfortable in solving any question, then only you should stop and go ahead with the other things that you have planned, okay? Now let's look at the question number 1 that we have in the MCQ category bacha. What is the total surface area of a solid hemisphere of diameter D? Great sir. Solid hemisphere of diameter D. Diameter is D. So radius is D by 2. We are looking for TSA. Okay, it's a PYQ from 2023. Have a look. So we have 2 pi r square. Okay, not 2 pi. It's a 3 pi square, right? 3 pi r square. 2 pi r square is a CSA, right? We are looking for TSA. Means we have to include this part also, no? Okay, so TSA is 3 pi r square. Have a look. 3 times of pi times of r is what bacha? R is D by 2. Sorry, R is D by 2 square. What I get? 3 pi D square upon 4. 3 by 4 pi D square. Option number D. Option number D is right. Please have a look. 3 by 4 pi D square. Option number D is correct. Question number 1 is over. Moving to question number 2. 1 was very simple. Yes, now 2 is from CBSE 2024 paper. Have a look bacha. 2 identical solid cubes of side A are joined end to end. Total surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay. I can draw this. I can draw this cubes joined together. Have a look. Right. Okay. This is a cube bacha. Okay. Again, the dimensions are given here. Edge length is A, and this is A, this is also A, okay, this also is A, this also is A, means height and the width will remain A and A, but the length will change to 2A. If you want, you can do what? Multiply them and use the formula. Which formula, sir? 2 times of LB, BH and LH. Use this formula, get the answer, no problem, okay? But if you want, you can solve this question logically also. Think about it. For 1 cube bacha, for 1 cube, what we have a look. 1 cube, sir, that looks like this. We have how many surfaces? We have total of 6 surfaces, na? A total of 6 surfaces, right? 6 surfaces, making the area to be 6A square. Yes or no? 6 square surfaces for 1 cube. It means 6A square is the total surface area. Great. If you club the 2 cubes together, it means one of the surface of the cube number 1 and one of the surface of the cube number 2 will come together. Now you don't have the surface, so it means 2 surfaces are gone. Total surface, what bacha? For total surface we have 6A square plus 6A square, but you have taken out 2 surfaces, right? It'll become 2A square. Subtraction. If you club them together, check this out. This surface bacha, this surface I'm talking about is actually joined together, no? this surface over here is joined together, bacha. For that is reason I have subtracted 2a square over here. Can you check that out? Once for that reason I'm getting what? 12a square minus 2a square, giving me answer as 10a square as well. So option is going to be option number B, 10a square. Have a look. Option number B, 10a square. If you want you can use the formula, otherwise you can use the logic behind it as well. Logic behind it as well. I hope this is clear. Okay, chaliye. Question number B, question number 2 option is B, sir, 10a square. Now moving to question number 3. Okay, it's not a P by Q, but it's a very good question. The ratio of the volumes of a cube to that of a sphere which will exactly fit inside the cube. Again, this particular question is not a P by Q, but similar question has been asked in a 2-marker category, bacha, in P by Qs. Okay, that's why I've taken this question. So not in MCQ, but yeah, in 2-marker they have asked this question. The ratio of the volume of a cube, sir, okay, is going to be a cube, okay, which will exactly fit, okay, to the sphere. They are saying that there's a cube like this, okay, there's a cube like this, and it can fit a sphere, bacha. Think about it. Sphere means I will try to draw as much possible, okay. I can't perfect it, okay, but if you look at the sphere, something like this will be, bacha. Yes or no? It doesn't look like a sphere, but assume it is a sphere, bacha. Okay, sphere only. Okay, okay, this is a sphere. If you check this out, basically the sphere's diameter is this value, right? Diameter will be equal to what? Will be equal to the edge of the cube. How come, sir? Because they're saying just fit, exactly fit. It means diameter is same as a. So what is the radius, bacha? Radius is a by 2, है ना? So we have ratio of the volume of the cube to volume of the sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is the formula. Okay, let's check this out. What we're getting? We're getting this as a cube upon 4 by 3 pi remains as it is. What is r, bacha? R is a by 2, na? R is a by 2 the cube, right? What I'm getting, bacha? A cube upon 4 by 3 pi a cube upon 8, right? A cube upon 8, right? Okay, now check this out. 4 2s are 8, right? And a cube and a cube is cancelled. What I'm getting, bacha? 1 upon, check this out, pi by 6, na? I have only pi left in the numerator part for the entire denominator, and what I'm getting, 3 into 2 over here, the 6 will come up. What I'm getting the answer as 6 by pi. 6 by pi. 6 by pi. Option number A is correct. Have a look. Excellent question. I said this question came for 2 marks, okay, in P by Q. I just taken this in MCQ as well, okay. The question can come for MCQ as well. So similar question can come, so that's why this question has been taken over here in the category of P by Q, even though it's not there as a P by Q. Next question is a part of P by Q section. Please check CBSE 2021 paper. The question is, a cylindrical pencil sharpened at one edge is combination of cylindrical pencil, right? Sharpen at one end means it will become cylinder and cone, okay, yeah. So like my pen, check this out. Cylindrical, if it is not cylindrical actually, but it is triangular in the cross section, but it was cylindrical in the nature, then I can say what? Cylindrical part is this and this part is conical part. So cylinder and cone is correct answer for question number 4. Moving on to the assertion and reason. Again, these questions are not from the category of PYQ. Okay, they are not PYQs in the assertion and reason. But you know, I'm solving assertion and reason for all of you in all the sessions anyway. So I'm going to include 2 questions in assertion and reason. Please bear with me. Okay. If it comes in this year, then I don't want you to be surprised, bacha. That's why I've taken assertion reason over here, even though it's not a PYQ. Chaliye, I hope that you all agree. Question is, if 3 cubes each of the sides 5 cm are joined end to end, then the total surface area, 3 cubes are joined, right? Let's draw this. 3 cubes are joined, sir. Okay. Okay. 3 cubes are joined, sir. So means cube number 1 will look like this. Cube number 2 will look like this, and cube number 3. I know it doesn't look proportional, but I can do a little bit better. Have a look. to make it little proportional. Okay, just give me one more second, one last attempt to make it little bit more effective, bacha. This might be acceptable little bit, okay, not perfectly. They're saying that side length is what, bacha? 5. So this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this width is also 5 all the time, and this is height, so always 5. Okay, so basically now what we have the length equals to 5. Please check this out. 5 plus 5 plus 5, how much is that? 15. Unit is centimeters. What about breadth? Breadth is simply 5 centimeters. And what about height? 5 centimeters. Okay, what are they asking? TSA, right? Total surface area are they asking, bacha. TSA, what's the formula for TSA? Have a look. TSA is going to be twice of, what is this figure now? Is it a cube anymore? It's a cuboid, sir. What's the formula for TSA of cuboid? 2 times of LB BH plus LH, है ना? 2 times of, please check this out. LB 15 into 5, so 75. B into H, 5 into 5, so 25. है ना? L into H, so 15 into 5, again 75. Okay, what we're getting? Have a look. We are getting, bacha, TSA equals to 75 plus 25. 75 plus 25, 100 plus 75, 175 into 2. Oh, it's going to be 150 times 2 is 300, 350, sir. 350 centimeter square. How much they have given? Same value. It means assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Assertion is correct, sir. Okay, chali. Reason, let's check. Volume of the cuboid having dimension LBH is L into B into H. Correct, no, bacha? Reason is also true, but does the reason explains assertion? No, sir. Reason assertion is about TSA of cuboid. This is about volume of cuboid. They are not, related to each other. Okay, I know this is therefore both for cuboid, but formula is different, bacha, for both of them. So answer would be B. Both the statements are true, but reason doesn't explain assertion. So option number B will be correct over here. Have a look. I hope this is okay. I hope this is okay, sir. Question number 5 is done. You had fun. Yes, answer is coming as 350 centimeters square. Process I've given over here. Any doubts you have, let me know in the comment section. Okay. So question number 6, have a look. If a solid ball is exactly fitted inside the cubical box of side A, then the volume of the solid ball is 1 by 6 pi A cube. Okay. So cubical box of side A, right? We know this, na? So diameter of solid ball will be equal to what, bacha? Will be equal to side length of the cube. How, sir? I explained to you over here. Have a look. This concept. Yeah, this concept. Diameter will be equal to side length of the cube, right? Okay. Because it has to be exactly fitted, sir. It has to be exactly fitted, sir. Okay. So for that reason, what is the radius, bacha? A by 2 again. Okay. Alright, what are they asking? They are asking that volume of the solid ball is, okay. So please check this out. Volume of solid ball is what, bacha? Sphere, right? 4 by 3 pi r cube, na? So 4 by 3 pi r is A by 2 the cube, right? Have a look. So what I'm getting, bacha? 4 by 3 pi A cube by 8, right? 4 2 is 8, bacha. How much I'm getting? A cube by pi A cube by 6, or 1 by 6 pi A cube. 1 by 6 pi A cube. Correct, sir. Assertion is true. Assertion is true. Okay, let's look at the reason now. The CSA of right circular cylinder is, okay, this also is correct, but they're not related to each other. So option number B is true. Simple. Had fun? Yes. If you know the concept, the questions will look simple to you. If it is looking simpler to you, very good. If it is not, you need to work on it. You need to put more effort into your preparation, bacha. You have to be honest, a little bit more in the preparation. You have to give more time, sir. Okay. Now I have a very important announcement for all of you, bacha, which is about DSAT program. Okay, it's called as Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Now, what is DSAT program, bacha? It's nothing but a unique combination of aptitude and scholarship test. how it does, what is it and how it does help you. So it's to help all the 10th graders out there to make a right decision, right career choice about the subject that they should take. All of you will not have all the clarity that you need to take the right subject. What happens is, I've seen the students, they don't like maths, so they'll choose commerce, they'll choose arts. Okay, they don't like bio, they'll choose maths. So don't make a decision like that, bacha. This is a very unhealthy way to make any decision. So you should have all the information before you, then you should make a right career choice or right any decision. Okay, so what you can do is just take this program. Okay, it is organized on every Sunday, okay, at our offline campuses Diksha. How can you enroll? The link for this web page is given in the description. Go ahead, check this link out and enroll over here. Get in touch with our team, book a slot on Sunday for 3 hours. Sunday, why? Because you are free on Sunday, that's why. Just involved only on Sunday for 3 hours, bacha. Once this is done, you'll have all the clarity that you need to make a decision for your career. Again, if you're somebody who is very clear with your program that I want to do engineering, sir, very good, okay, then this bacha will help you understand your competency level, that where you stand in the preparation right now for JEE, for NEET or for KSET, whatever you're choosing, but you will be able to understand where you stand right now and how can you improve and get better in the preparation and get ahead in the competition. Okay, to all the answers will be given once you enroll into the program. How to enroll, link is given. Book a slot on Sunday, get in touch with our team, okay, and come to our offline campuses Diksha. I hope this is clear. Okay, again, how it exactly works, how the structure of this program works, I'll let you know at the end of the session. I'll go back to question right now. Okay, so thank you for giving this much of your time. Right now I'll go back to the question that we are here for, sir. We are here for questions, sir. So we are here for questions. Let's solve the question. Question number 7. Find the curved surface area of a right circular cone of height 15 centimeter and base diameter 16 centimeter. Sir, this is easy question, but I can't do. This is a P by Q. If they have given easy question in P by Q, we have to solve it anyway, right? I know it's a simple question. Let's solve it. CSA, we are asked CSA cone, okay, cones CSA, sir. Okay, it's a 2 marker, bacha. It's a 2 marker, sir. Okay, cone CSA, sir. We have R here, we have H here, we have L. So CSA is given by pi RL. Excellent. Okay, height is 15, base diameter is 16. It means H is 15, where we have what do we have? R as, so diameter is 16 means R is 8. Okay, this is going to be the right angle triangle, so L will become root of H square plus R square, है ना? This will become root of, please check this out, 15 square plus 8 square. How much is that? 225 for 15 for 64. Okay, so I'm getting the slant height L as 289, right? 289. How much is that? Simply 17 centimeters. L is not length, L is the slant height, right? L is the slant height for the cone. Okay, they're looking for the CSA. CSA is pi RL, we know that. Okay, pi RL. What is pi is as it is. R is 8. R is 8. L is 17. Have a look. 8 7s are 56. So 6 is here. 5 is carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 5 13. 136 pi. Okay. Area, right? Centimeter square. This is your answer. This is your answer, sir. If you want, you can write in terms of decimal. Also use 22 by 7 and do the division. Okay. Simple. Okay. Yeah, great, sir. So this completes question number 7. I hope you enjoyed this. Very simple. Moving on to question number 8, sir. A semicircular sheet of paper of diameter 28 centimeter. Okay, like this. Have a look. This is 28, bacha. It means this is 14, sir. Diameter is 28, right? So the radius is going to be 14, sir. Okay, is bent into an open conical cap. So how will it be bent, sir? So you'll hold these two things and attach them. है ना? You'll hold these two things and attach them. They'll become what, bacha? They'll become like this. Have a look. Yes or no? Correct, na? This part here, what is that called, sir? Half the circumference, so pi r, right? Pi r. That will give you the base. Yes or no? This part will become base of the cone, right? This part will become base of the cone, and this will become the height of the cone. Yes or no? Do one thing. If you're not sure, cut a piece of paper in this way and join this. I'll write the names also. O, A, B. Join bacha. O and AB together. Sorry, OA and OB together. Join them together. You're gonna get a cone with the base circle. So this pi r, check here. This base will become bacha again pi r only. Okay, pi r only. But will the radius be same, sir? Of course not. This will be, let's say, capital R, some other radius, capital R. Okay, chaliye. So we have capital R. Then this will be bacha height. Okay, and this will be slant height L. We have two information from here. Okay, if you compare them, we have two informations over here. First thing is the L will be nothing but 14. How come, sir? Check this out. This OB no will become a slant height only. This OB will become slant height only. That's why 14. Okay. One more thing we have. Check this out. The circumference of conical base will be equal to what, bacha? Will be equal to circumference of semicircle. The arc part, okay, will be equal to circumference of arc, okay, this part. So please check this out. What I'm getting? I'm getting here, sir, 2 pi r. Correct, na? This is the radius r, right? So 2 pi r equals to pi r, right? So pi and pi is gone. What I'm getting, bacha? 2 times of r. What is the radius value, sir? It is this r, no? 14. So I'm getting the capital R as 7. I know it is ulta, but you know, accept it. If you want, I can change it. If you want, I can change this just to avoid confusion. This is, I'll change bacha. No problem. No problem. 1 second. Because small r is, you know, bigger, that's why I've written here. Small r is capital R, small r, small r, small r, capital R, capital R, capital R. Nothing, just the difference. Okay, you can keep it like this also, no, doesn't matter. But still, to make more sense, we've written small r as 7 centimeter. This is the radius of the cone part now, the conical cap now. Okay, we know the L value, right? What is L value, sir? 14, bacha. L value is 14, sir. Okay, so we are looking for what? Looking for the depth, means the height, and the capacity of the cup, means and the volume. So check this out. So we'll have L square. Excuse me. L square equals to h square plus r square, है ना? So my h square will become bacha root of, sorry, h will become root of, have a look, L square minus r square. How much is that? L square is what, bacha? 14 square, so 196. Correct, na? L square, so 14 square, so 196. R square, so 7 square, so 49. है ना? So h value will be bacha root of 6 minus 9, so 60 minus 9 is 7. We have over here 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 147. 147, sir. Okay, chaliye. Can we take this root somehow? Check this out. So I can write it as 7 into 21, right? So I can write this as, check this out, 7 7s are, so 7 into 3, है ना? 7 into 2 is 14 and 1, correct. So now I've written 21 as 7 into 3. Okay, this becomes bacha, I can take 1 7 common, it becomes 7 root 3 centimeters. Okay, this is my height h value. Have a look. 7 root 3 centimeters is my answer for the height h. 7 root 3 centimeters for the height h, this part. Okay, this coming as, this whole thing is coming as 7 root 3. 7 root 3. Okay, now we're looking for volume, right? The capacity means what? The volume of the cup. Have a look. So volume will be given by, if you remember, 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? How much is that? 1 by 3 pi, what is it, sir? R square is what, bacha? Radius is going to be 7 square. H is the 7 root 3 only, no? Have a look. 7 root 3 is h and radius is 7 only. Have a look. What I'm getting? 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 root 3, right? So 7 7 goes out. Okay, what I have over here is 22 into 49 root 3 upon 3, right? Upon 3. Okay, chaliye. So we have to multiply this out. Let's multiply 22 by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Correct, sir? Let's multiply 49 into 22, right? Okay, can I cancel this 1.73? No. No, we can't cancel, bacha. 1.732, if we can check this out. No, we can't cancel. We have to multiply it anyway. So we'll do that later. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I think one thing is there. Okay, one second. I think one thing is there. I can write this as, I can multiply it over here, bacha. 7 into root 3. Check this out. 7 into root 3 will come like this. I can do calculation over here. 7 into root 3, right? How much is that? 7 into 1.73. Okay, 7 3s are 21. So carries, let's say 1. Okay, we have 2 now. 7 7s are 20. 49 plus 2 is again 5. What I'm getting? 7 1 just 7. 7 1 just 7 plus 5 is 12, bacha. Okay, and we'll have, if I take 2 over here, 14 will come, right? Something like that. Okay, 14 and 2 will come. Okay, I can take it this part, no? Why, you will see. Yes, just give me 1 second. I know it's messy, but accept this. Height is 12.12 centimeters. Okay, take this as your answer for height. Now check this out. For this part, bacha, I can just write that. It'll help me. You'll see. How come, sir? I'll not write root 3. I'll not write 7 root 3. Have a look. Just a second. Don't worry. I've thought of a simpler way to solve this question. That's why I'm doing all of this. Okay, sir. Chaliye. What I was getting this 1 by 3. Pi is 22 by 7. R is simply 7 into 7. And height is, sir, what? Height is, sir, 12.12. Now you can see here. 12.12. Great, sir. So 7 and 7 is cancelled. And I cancel this 3 with this, bacha. 3 4s are 12.04, right? 3 4s are 12.04. Now what I have? 22 into 7 into 4.04, sir. Decimal I can keep over here, the hundreds. Okay. What I'm getting, sir? Please check here. I'm getting over here 22. Multiply these two first. So 22 will keep as it is. 7 4s are 28, carries 2. Okay. So right here 2. And 7 4s are 28. Correct, na? Whole thing divided by 100, bacha. Of course. Please check here. Okay, I know I've made a little mistake in the, not mistake, I should have done this way earlier only, but that clicked to me right now. 7 4s are just for this part, 12.12 part for the height. Works better to cancel with 3. 7 4s are 28, carries 2, so carry with 0 will become 28 only. 7 4s are 28, so this again will come like this. Now we have to multiply now. 28 with 22. Have a look. So it will become what? 6 5 6 again. Have a look. Correct now? Now what about this, sir? Same thing will repeat. So 6 5 6 5. Add them. 6. I'm getting over here 11. Then over here 12. Over here again, bacha, 12, right? 11 plus 1 carry is there. So 12 and then again 12. We have one more carry, right? So 6. Have a look. If I add 6 and 5, I'm getting, bacha, 11 over here. Carry was there, so 12. Again, one carry is there, so 6. 622.16 should be the answer. Have a look. 622.16. Have a look. Okay. 622.16. We have 100, right? So this is my answer for whole thing. It's a volume or yes, a volume, right? It's a volume. Okay. We'll write it as cube then. We'll write it as cube then, sir. Not a problem. Have a look. Okay. 62.16 is my answer. Have a look from here. Just one modification I asked you to do. Instead of writing this 7 root 3, no, write it as 12.12. How come, sir? Multiplying this with 1.732, 7. We get this as 12.124. Keeping it to 12.12 makes our life easier in dividing with 3. So you get it as 4.04. Do the simplification, do the multiplication with 22 of 2828. You get the answer as 622.16 centimeter cube as the volume or the capacity of the conical cap. Is it a cap? Yes. Cup, not cap, sir. Conical cup. Have a look. This is clear? Okay. I hope this is clear. Over here as well. Okay. Shall I move on to the next one? Okay, sir. Question number 9 now. Have a look. So a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere okay, from each end of a solid cylinder given like this, okay. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters, the total height is 10, and the base radius is 3.5, okay, 3.5 given over here. Find the total surface area of the cylinder of the article, okay. TSA, okay, total surface area of the article. So it was a solid in the beginning. It was a, check this out, it was a wooden article, was made out of a hemisphere from a, yeah, it was a solid cylinder in the beginning. Have a look. If you take out the scoop, you know, in the hemispherical part, what are you gonna get, bacha? Have a look. You're gonna get total of surface 1 will be, bacha, CSA of, what is it, cylinder. Then you have 2 and 3, both, bacha, what? Both will be, sir, the CSA of the hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere or not. Please check this out. CSA, the bowl, if you look at this is the surface, right? So both surface will be here, no? So I'll have to include all the three surface to make the total surface area, hai na? So my TSA will become, have a look, sum of 1 plus 2 and plus 3. What is 1, sir? 2 pi RH. What is 2, sir? 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. 3 is also the same thing, na? They are identical hemisphere, right? The radius is also same. R for the hemisphere and the cylinder is same, bacha. So I can take something common. Before I do that, let's just simplify this. 2 pi plus 4 pi r square. I can take this common now. 2 pi r. What I have? H is left over here, and I have 2r left, right? Yeah, 2r left. 2 is left, and then r is left. Okay. Now put the values. 2 is there. 22 by 7 is there. What I have? 3.5 is there. What I have for H, bacha? For H I have 10, and this will be 7, na? 2 into R. R is 3.5. It means 2R will be 3.5 into 2, so 7. Okay. 3.5 into 2 is 7, sir. So we can cancel this 2 and this 3.5 with this 7. Have a look. My TSA for the required article will become now what? 22 times of 17, right? So what I'm getting, bacha? 34, so carry is 3. 34 plus 3, 7. 374 centimeter square. Let me cross check once more. 17 times 2 is 34, so carry is 3. 34 plus 3, 37. Looks right. Okay. Question number 9, answer is 374 centimeter square. Simple question asked in 2022 and 2023 paper for 3 marks. It is a 3-mark question. It is a 3-mark question. Please have a look. Okay. Simple, very simple. If you have any different answer, let me know in the comment section. I don't know the answer for this. If I made any mistake in calculation, let me know again. Okay. So I have tried not to, but if I have, you can see sometime, you know, I miss out some things in the calculation. Okay. So if you are having a better way, a better answer, let me know in the comment section. Okay. So question number 9 is done. Question number 10 now. We have the given block is made of 2 solids. Okay. So please check this over here. What we have, bacha? We have here as, so we have a conical base upon which we have a hemispherical top. They are having 2 different radiuses. This is a different radius, R, capital R, and the hemisphere will have a different radius, small r. Let's write the values that we have. So we have the capital R as 10 centimeters. This is for, bacha, cone. Okay. And for this we have height as 24 centimeters. Okay. We have cylinder, not cylinder, hemisphere, right? We have, sir, hemisphere. 1 second. We have hemisphere as, have a look, the radius is small r must be given over here. So given block is made of 2 solids, a cone and a hemisphere. The height of and base of the radius of the cone are 24 and 10. That's correct. Okay. And the diameter of the hemisphere is 10. Diameter is 10, bacha. It means the radius is 5 centimeters, sir. Okay. Now we are looking for find the TSA of the block. So TSA of the block, have a look. TSA of the block would be nothing but area number 1. Area number 1 would be, bacha, first of all, it will be CSA of cone. Next, area 2. Check this out. CSA of hemisphere. Area 3. Area 3, bacha. Area 3 would be area of the ring, bacha. Yes or no? Area of ring. So, area of the ring. Where's the ring, sir? This part. Check that. This is the ring, no? I'll show you. This part is the ring, sir. This part is the ring. I have to remove that area, no? So I have to remove this area of the ring. Have a look. Okay. So area of the ring. Next what? We have to remove one more thing. Part 4. How much? What is that? Remove the area A1. Area A1. How much is that? Basically, we have to do it what? We have to do minus A1. How come, sir? This is covered, right? The spherical part and the conical base is like this in contact. It means the area in contact has to be removed, right? So that area has to be removed. Pi r square has to be removed. Okay. Chaliye. So that you can see already is done. If you check the ring part, it is already included over here. So we don't have to do that part again. So this part is actually including this. Okay. No problem. Chaliye. So the ring part has already included the area of the ring, correct na? Because if you're talking about the only of the area of the ring, no, we have already taken out the smaller area. Yes, okay. So we need to find the CSA of cone, right? So we need L value. We need L value, sir. What is L value, bacha? H square plus R square. How much is that, sir? 24 square, so 576. And 10 square, so 100. 100. What is that? Root of 676. How much is that? Simply, sir, 26. Okay, 26 centimeters. Please remember the square and the square root will 1 to 26, bacha. Square and square root will 1 to 26. So we have 676 root as 626 centimeters. Okay, this is my L value. Okay, let's find it out now. Have a look. So my TSA of the entire block will be like this. We have to add 1, then add 2 also, and then bacha add ring also. Okay, the 3 as well. What we're getting over here? For part 1 we have pi RL, capital R times of L. Part 2 we have so 2 pi R square small r, hemisphere, no, small r, plus for this ring we have pi times of capital R square minus small r square. है ना? Have a look what we're getting, bacha. Take pi common. We have RL over here. We have R square, sorry, 2R square over here. 1 second. We have 2R square over here. Then we have plus R square minus R square over here. Yes or no? I've taken only pi common, right? I've taken only pi common. So we have 2R square over here and R square over here minus R square over here. So check this out. Pi times of RL plus 2R minus R. Simply R square plus R square. So check this out. Pi will be 3.14. R is how much, sir? Capital R is 10, bacha. 10 times of L is how much, sir? 26. Small r square. So 25. 5 square is what, bacha? 25. And capital R square, how much is that? 10 square again, so 100. Can you just add all of this? 3.14 times of, check this out, 260 plus 25 plus 100, right? I'm getting this as 285 plus 100. 285 plus 100 is going to be 3.14 times of 385, sir. 385, sir. Okay, great. Let's do the multiplication of this. Can we cancel? We can, but yeah, we can cancel this. Have a look. I'm gonna get this as 10 into 10, right? So 100. And cancel one of the 100. Okay, please check. So I'll have a simpler multiplication. Have a look. 2 times 5 over here and 2 times this. So we have 1, 5 and 7. है ना? 2 times 1 is 2. I have 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 11. So I get 2 5s are 10. Again 1 carry, 2 5s is 2 7s are 70. 2 7s are 14. Now cancel this 5 with this one. What I'm getting, bacha? 5 7s are 35. Okay, 5 7s are 35. Then I have here 3. 5 7s are 35, right? Correct only, no? 35 and then 35, yes. So we have this as 77. So what I'm getting? 157 into 77 by 10, sir. We have to multiply this now. No other choice we have. I can multiply it over here. Please have a look. I don't have a space on that side. 157 into 77. 7 7s are 49. So 4 to 9. So carry is 4. 7 5 is 35 plus 4 is going to be again 39. 3 is there. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write this out. 9 9 0 1. Add them. Have a look. I get 9 here. I get 8 here. Okay. Then I get here 9 plus 1 0 here, okay. 1 plus 1 2, I get here this as 1 only. So I get 12089. 12089 divided by 10, right? So one decimal place, okay. This is the area, right? So centimeter square, okay. This is a TSA bacha, okay, for the given block. TS is coming as 1 2 have a look, okay, okay, yeah, 1208.9 centimeter square. 1208.9 centimeter square is my answer. Excellent question. This came for, I think, 5 marker. Please have a look. CBSE 2022 question. Very, very good question, okay. 3 marker or 5 marker, okay. I'm not able to recall, but I think a very, very good question that you can solve. Yes, so this completes bacha our preparation, our session for PYQ. I hope this is okay. Now, as I said, I'll talk about the structure of the research program, which will help you understand why it is important. So what we do in this 3-hour session on Sunday at the campuses, offline campuses Diksha, is that first 1 hour will be a lecture, means we'll teach you something, we'll teach you a concept, okay, and you can ask your doubts as well. So in the 1 hour you can learn and ask your doubts. 1 hour is over. Second hour will be aptitude test. You write an aptitude test based upon what you have learned, okay. Then third hour will evaluate your paper. Once the paper is evaluated, okay, you get to sit back with us, our team of counselors and faculties, and ask all of your doubts that you have regarding your career, what choices to make, this or that, why this, why that, whatever questions you have, ask them. I'm asking you, do one thing, write all the questions that you have in your mind in piece of paper and bring that paper to the campus and ask all of these concerns from our team. I'm very sure that they're going to answer all the questions that you have in your mind, and they'll also let you know what was your approach to solving a paper, means how did you think about the problem solving. Everything will be discussed in detail. So how can you get better? If you're doing a very good job, we'll let you know that as well, that you're doing very good job in your preparation, okay. So everything will be analyzed and helped you out to make a right career choice, okay. Means you'll be able to make a decision after this complete program for sure, okay. And I'm very sure that if you're leaving the campus after all the answers that you had, all the questions that you had in your mind, you'll be answered and you'll be very satisfied with the result that you had after this program, okay. Now one more thing, if you wish to join us for your preparation for 11th and 12th, whatever stream you choose, okay, if you want to join us, you'll get a very good scholarship based upon your test that you've written the second hour in the admissions, okay. So please make sure that you use this benefit. If not for the this is a very good bacha decision to make, an opportunity to have. I wish I had something like this when I was a student, but you have it right now, so please avail this benefit, okay. And I'll see you in the next session. This completes our session today, bacha, which was on the PYQ of the volume surface area, okay. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, you have to keep working hard, okay, and take care of yourself. Take care, please, okay, and bye-bye.